Hi guys, today we'll discuss this question. Many people will do it in the wrong way. Let's see how they do it wrong. 8 divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. So some people do this. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then they do 4 divided by 4 is 1, which is totally wrong. We'll not do like this. So the correct method is 8 divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. So when we have multiple divides, the order of multiplication is from left to right. First this, then this, then this. So in the first we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. It becomes 4 divided by 8 divided by 2. Then we can write 4 divided by 8 as 4 over 8 divided by 2. Now by cutting, we will get 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It means 1 by 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now, according to the KCF rule, we can, if we have division, we can convert the sign into multiplication and by changing the numerator into denominator. So 2 will become 1 by 2. So we'll be having 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which becomes 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. So our answer will be 1 over 4 or 0.25. 0.25 or 1 by 4. Thanks for watching.